Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to update card on Cash App. So to update your debit or credit card on your Cash App, here's a simple step-by-step guide you can follow, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to launch the Cash App app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner. Then after that you have to access linked bank and card. So to gain access to your linked bank and card, you have to scroll down and tap on linked bank or your linked account. Then after that, locate the card you want to update. Then after that, you have to replace or remove the card. So to be able to remove or replace the card, you have to tap on the existing debit or credit card, then select remove card to delete the old ones. Then tap on add card to enter your new card details, then follow on the screen instruction and confirm the update. Then after that, if required, verify your card by entering the CVV and the expiration date. Once added, your new card will be linked for payment and transfer. And that is a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply update card on your Cash App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.